Welcome to day 68 of IELTS Smart, your daily destination for Band 7 Plus preparation. Today we are breaking down a full Band 9 model essay on environmental protection for writing. Task to grab a pen, open your notebook, and let's get right into it. The deadly Band 5 trap. First, let's address the single biggest mistake most students make. They write generic repetitive sentences like, "The environment is very important for human beings and we must protect it." Sound familiar? That is a textbook Band 5 sentence. Examiners have read it millions of times. It has no sophistication, no grammatical range, and zero impact. If you want a Band 7 or above, you cannot write like that anymore. The anatomy of a Band 9 introduction. So what does a Band 9 actually look like? Let me walk you through the precise structure. Your introduction needs just two things. 1. A paraphrase of the prompt rewriting the question using advanced synonyms. 2. A clear thesis statement stating your exact position immediately. Examiner insight. Examiners heavily weigh your task. Achievement score based on your first 4 lines. No fluff, no filler. Get straight to the point and make them count. The golden rule, the Peel structure. Your body paragraphs must follow the strict Peel framework. This ensures perfect coherence and cohesion. P point. State your main argument clearly in the very first sentence. E. Explanation. Expand on your point. Explain the why and the how. E. Evidence. Support your argument with a concrete, realistic example. L. Link. Connect your point directly back to your central thesis statement. Remember one core idea per paragraph. Do not crowd your writing with multiple weak points. One strong, well-explained argument is always more powerful and effective. Upgrading your vocabulary lexicon. Your vocabulary must display high-level lexical resource range and precision. Look at how we can instantly transform basic language. Band 5 baseline pollution is bad. Band 9 masterclass. Environmental degradation poses an existential threat to global biodiversity. Band 5 baseline, people should care more. Band 9 masterclass, governments and individuals share a collective responsibility to implement sustainable practices. That precise shift in tone and academic register is the exact difference between a Band 5 and a Band 9, crafting a flawless conclusion. Your conclusion should never introduce any new information or sudden ideas. Keep it to a 2-sentence maximum. Simply restate your main position using different words and leave the examiner with a highly confident, conclusive final impression. The full text-based Band 9 model essay on environmental protection is live. On my blog right now, it is completely free with every single paragraph explained and every sentence analyzed line by line. The link is right in my bio. Go read it, study it, and start applying these exact techniques today. If you found this masterclass helpful, hit that follow button and subscribe for more videos.